Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the mystery reveal for this month. And though my nails look really messed up, they do actually match this kit, which I think is pretty cool. I didn't plan that. I should have repainted them, but I'm just trying to prioritize here. But I absolutely love this collection. I am super excited. I think I'm going to use it in June or maybe August. Probably August, because I feel like June's pretty stacked, but I don't know, maybe June. Let me know whenever you guys are going to use it if you are subscribed to the mystery. This mystery kit is no longer available. It is only for the people who were subscribed last month. And if you do sign up for spots next month, which are always on the website under the mystery tab, we'll have the dates for any possible openings. Then you will get next month's mystery kit. So I'm obsessed. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is a picnic theme. We haven't done a picnic theme for mystery, so I'm very excited about it, and I love the colors in this. I'm just here for it. So let's go through the kit first, and then we'll go into the extras. So this is the full box page. I love the rich colors in the background here. Oops, sorry. The rich colors in the background, and kind of paired with the lighter colors. I just think it's a really pretty combo. And I just am here for the scene and all the food items, which is pretty much the whole kit, and the little bunny over here. So that is the full boxes, and then this is like my favorite page. So you have the paper lanterns and then more food items there. You have your deco page. I love these colors. So you have the green, which look how this matches. Well, kind of. The green, and then the gray, and then the peach, and then this pop of pink. So you could totally lean towards these, but I think the pink just kind of pulls it all together. And then you have the half boxes page. These patterns are gorgeous. Also, our art in our kits is always exclusive, so you won't find it anywhere else, and you won't have a kit with it or anything like that. Then there is the bottom washi, and there is also in the ultimate kit, you get so many extras. So this is the 15mm strip that comes with the ultimate kit. I think it's a really pretty combo. There is also the label sampler comes with it. So that's what this looks like. And then you also have the glitter headers. There is the fashion girls. So you have just a bunch of different options here. So with the fashion girls, you end up having 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 boxes. So tons of options there, and I just think they're all so pretty and so cute. And then the kit freebie in both the ultimate and the mini is the new matte label sampler freebie. We do sell these in the shop now, but they do come with 3 different boxes in the mystery. So really love those, and I just think it's a nice little extra. You guys seem to really like that instead of the Munchkin Head freebie. For the mystery, I think it's a little bit more of a luxe freebie for y'all. Then there is also the journaling card, which comes in the ultimate and the mini, and there's a little bit of information on the back here, kind of a little bit of a summary about the kit, about the wiggle, about the mini kit, if you have foil FOMO or any of these extras that you get in the ultimate kit, to email us and we can see if we can upgrade you for your next billing period. And then also, if this isn't your cup of tea, we do have a buy sell trade group. So if you get this and you're not a huge fan of it, you can pop over to our buy sell trade, which I feel like mysteries get snapped up so fast over there. But that also works if you are not a subscriber and you want to try and pick one up. I would definitely head over to our buy sell trade and see if you can snag one over there. Then the ultimate mystery is $30. It comes with all these extras, and it also does come with some foil extras, also the freebie label sampler thingy. So this is the line bow. Kirsten called it the Whimsical Bow, and it's stuck with me. Whimsical Bow wiggle, and it's in silver. I think silver is really pretty, but I also feel like if you had gold or rose gold, or even you could do hollow or a fun foil, you could pull that in. But I like doing a little bit more of the basic foils with mysteries, just so that it fits everyone's style a little bit more. I know not everybody's into the fun foils, so I feel like this is something you can pull in with the kit, or you could pull it in with another spread because silver matches so much. So this is the bottom washi strip. Both of these are available in the shop in, silver, gold, rose gold, and hollow, the different patterns. You have the script sampler in silver. You have the icons. You have circle icons and date numbers, the drink and food doodles, the little mini bows, which are great for, decorating more full boxes, or maybe adding to character stickers, icons, sprinkling on the top. There's tons of possibilities for those. They really come in handy. And then you get 3 of these sheets here. So you do get 3 sets of the headers, and then you also get 3 sets of 14 half-cut headers. And half-cut headers are a bougie on a budget alternative, so you could do the bougie type situation with these, or you can double stack them and use them as glitter headers, so whichever way you want to do it. And then you do have 6 of these down here as well, which are the full box overlays. So you have 6 full box overlays, but then you can use these to decorate. I also use this to decorate. So you have tons of options here for foil as a freebie. So that is the ultimate kit. That is our very ultimate luxe format. And then let's go into the mini kit, which is our more affordable option. So this does have the mini kit format. So you have the full boxes, the functional page, the mini kit page, the deco page, and then the bottom washi, and then the extras with the mini kit are the foil freebie. You get the label sampler and then also the glitter headers. So it's definitely a more affordable option, so it doesn't come with as many freebies, but I always want to keep that available as a cheaper alternative, but still being able to receive the mystery kit art. So that is everything for this month. I am so pleased with this collection. It's one of my favorites this year so far, and I have all of the mysteries, I believe, until December or January. I think I have December's. So I think I have everything till January, and this year, y'all, you don't even know. And then I have mood boards done for some for next year, and I am just like, just the custom art that like I use for mystery is just like the best of the best. I want to make sure that there is a really high probability that you will love it, because I know mysteries are definitely a gamble, so I always try and make them something that like as many people can use as possible, kind of like a neutral but still has a theme. Do you know what I mean? That's where I kind of like to keep it. So I hope you guys like this month's mystery. I'm really satisfied and pleased with it, and I can't wait to use it. Just really love this scene. It's so pretty. Like, I want to just be here with that blue water, those rich colored trees. It just looks so serene and peaceful. My boy's running around, crawling. Well, Theo's not crawling. He's more just kind of like laying there. But I would just love to be there. And I love food. So that's everything, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.